But let me tell you,
okay, they should come from.
Thank you. He just kept people.
You are physically challenged. You are physically challenged.
Okay, they should come from. On the mic.
Yeah. What brings you time? Your visit comes just a day after you convene a meeting. We came to visit our brother. He's our brother, so every now and then the Bible enjoins you to visit one another. That's what we have just done.
Does the visit have anything to do with the meeting you had in Abuja yesterday?
No, there are many things in the world for which you need to visit a brother. So it has nothing to do with, we will not tell you anyway, even if it has.
All right, what about you, sir? Care to speak with us?
Well, nothing much, but just like he said, everyone agrees with us that Governor Wike is one of those indispensable political leaders. And for us, it's a search to build an all-inclusive Nigeria. So we feel that as part of the agenda setting, we should meet with him. And that is the reason why we're here. But the rest of whatever it is, maybe in the future we can discuss that. Thank you.
He just kept people.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.